Hi, English learners. Today I'm coming to you from a stunning town at the French Riviera, where I'm enjoying the sun and the beautiful weather. And for your listening practice today, I'd like to share my very personal story of love, a story of my husband and me. We traveled to the beautiful city of Menton to celebrate our 20th wedding anniversary. I still can't believe it. 20 years of marriage. The time has gone so fast. As a young girl, I dreamed of marrying someone I would love deeply for a lifetime. And that dream came true. I was only 20 when we got married, and my husband was 25. But we met earlier, when I was 18. He came to my town to study at a Christian school, and we met at church. That is how our paths crossed. Since then, we've been raising 3 wonderful children. People often ask me, how do you stay happy after 20 years? Of course, like any couple, we had disagreements. And sometimes, in those moments, I don't feel love. I even think I hate him. But with time, I learned something important. When you calm down and think clearly, you understand that the person beside you is very special. No one can take his place in my life. When we married, we made a promise, not only to each other, but also before God and our community. And we try to keep this promise every day. A long and happy relationship needs work, patience, and love. You need to give your time, your heart, and your energy to build something strong and beautiful. Thanks for listening to our love story. I hope it brings you inspiration, whether in life and love or in learning your English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you soon.